Have you ever wanted to feel like you are in a French bakery but at home? Well, this is the recipe for you. Welcome back to Cotton Creation. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do a vegan version of a fruit cream cheese Danish. So I went peach picking before this video, but I got some fresh peaches from the orchard. They only had white peaches at the time, so that's what I ended up getting. So that's what I'm going to use in this video. But first things first, I'm going to go ahead and get that cream cheese mixture going. I'm going to put the cream cheese into my stand mixer. Of course, you can use a hand mixer. I'm going to add some white granulated sugar and some flour to that. And then I'm also going to be adding in some vanilla extract, just to heighten the flavor profile a little bit. And then I'm going to get my baking pan out and go ahead and slice up my puff pastries. I'm going to do about 6 of these puff pastries for this recipe. So one thing you want to do after you get it cut is you want to go ahead and score it with a knife. You could also use a pizza roller if you wanted to as well. But you don't want to cut all the way through it. You just simply want to score it to create the rectangle where we're going to put the cream cheese at. Next, we're going to take a spoonful of that cream cheese mixture and we are going to spread it out over our puff pastry. But you want to make sure that you keep it within the scored section of the puff pastry and not the entire puff pastry. The reason for this is because when it's baking, we want the section, the outer edges to actually bake up around the center. So if you cover it all, it's going to just bake flat completely, and that's not what we're looking for. We want it to have an edge and a crust around it, so you don't want to, like I said, put it over the whole entire puff pastry. And after that, we're just going to go ahead and add our fruit. In my case, I'm using white peaches today, but you can do whatever fruit that you want. And then before we pop it in the oven, we're going to brush on some vegan milk, and we're going to sprinkle it with some white granulated sugar around the edges so that it can have a nice sweet touch to the edges, and it'll help it brown as well. So you want to do this for all 3 of your puff pastries today, and then you're going to go ahead and just pop it in the oven. Typically, you want to bake your puff pastry according to the package because some of them have varying times, just slightly varying times. So just pay attention to that. And typically, you want to bake these at either somewhere between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it comes out, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle it with some powdered sugar, and that's it. But I know you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside, so I gotcha. But if you like this video, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And let me know what you will do with this recipe. If you'll try peaches out, or if you will switch it out for other fruit, or if you'll leave it plain as just a cream cheese Danish. Those are absolutely delicious as well. And until next time, thanks for watching. Whoops, I think I forgot to say I got you on the recipe too. As you know, the full recipe is down in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out if you want a copy of the recipe. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Hang in there or fast forward through the video because I promise the shot of me cutting into this and showing you the inside is coming up.